Hello everyone, my name is Chandra Prakash Babuna, and today I want to discuss a real interview questions and answers for the Apache Solar. So the company name is Infovision and the company location is Bangalore and the interview date was the July 15, 2025. So they asked me 7 questions. So I want to discuss these 7 questions in this in these slides. So the first question they asked me, Solar versus Elasticsearch. So Apache Solar versus Elasticsearch. So Apache Solar XML based static config. Elasticsearch JSON based dynamic via REST APIs. Apache Solar requires Zookeeper, that is Solar Cloud. Elasticsearch built-in cluster management. Apache Solar strong facetting support. Elasticsearch powerful aggregation engine. Apache Solar Lucene syntax Dismax eDismax. Elasticsearch powerful aggregation engine. Apache Solar Lucene syntax Dismax eDismax and Elasticsearch JSON DSL query language. Apache Solar Enterprise and Document Search Focus. Elasticsearch log analysis real-time analytics. Apache Solar faster complex faceting static data. Elasticsearch faster real-time indexing and analytics. The second question they asked me, what is Solar Cloud? So Solar Cloud, distributed and fault tolerant mode of Apache Solar, scales horizontally across multiple servers, that is nodes. Collections split into shards. Each shard has replicas. Zookeepers, central coordinators, manages cluster state and node communication. Auto failover, if a node goes down, replicas take over automatically. Dynamic scaling, add remove nodes without downtime. Production, typically 3 zookeepers nodes because quorum equal to n by 2 plus 1. Third question they asked me, what is Solar Collections? So distributed index in Solar Cloud, equivalent of a core in standalone, made up of multiple shards and replicas spread across nodes, enables scalability, fault tolerance, and high availability. Create bin solar create collection -c my collection -shard2 replication factor 2. Core standalone single machine collection Solar Cloud equal to distributed, managed by Zookeeper, not local Solar config files. So the one liner is collection, distributed index of shards plus replica via Zookeeper. Zookeeper in Solar Cloud tracks which Solar nodes holds which shards, stores Solar config sets centrally, no per code config files, manages leader elections for replicas, quorum rule, majority needed to function, use odd number, 3, 5, 7 nodes, 3 Zookeeper nodes, tolerates one failure, 5 Zookeeper nodes, tolerates 2 failure. Formula quorum n by 2 plus 1. So start Solar Cloud. So inside the bin directive there is a solar start -c, then -z, zk1:2181, zk2:2181, zk3:2181. New upcoming events via Solar. So index each event with an event date ISO 8601 format. Schema, field name, event date, type equal to tdate, indexed true, stored true. Query using date range filter, FQ equal to event date, now to now plus 1 day. Full URL, solar event select and query string Q equal to star dot star and FQ equal to event underscore date. now to now plus 1 day, and short equal to event date ASC. Front end call Solar API by Ajax or PHP backend. Display upcoming events. Optional FQ equal to event status. Active to filter only active events. So one liner, store event date as tdate. Filter with now to now plus 1 day. Question number 6, they ask with securing Solar Admin UI. How can you secure the Solar Admin UI? So bind to local only bin solar start -h 127.0.0.1. Nginx reverse proxy with auth basic plus .ht password file. Or enable basic auth security.json with basic auth plugin plus rule based authorization plugin. Then Solar Cloud security.json stored in Zookeeper, not local file system. Upload curl-x post _data-binary @security.json /solar/admin/authentication. Also use VPN, Internet restriction plus SSL, TLS, HTTP via Jetty. One-liner basic auth plus firewall plus localhost bind equal to secured admin UI. Question number 7. Fetch one employee from Solar PHP. Install Solarium Composer requires Solarium/Solarium. Then $client equal to new client $config point host port path core. $query equal to $client create select set query ID E12345. $result set client select query iterate to get doc. Output employee ID name email from the matching document. So direct URL /solar/employee/select query string q equal to ID :E12345 and WT equal to JSON. So the one liner is Solarium plus ID E12345 query fetch single employee doc. So the quick summary is Solar versus Elasticsearch. Solar XML Faceting Enterprise ES equal to JSON aggregation real time. Second, Solar Cloud collection, that is shards, replicas coordinated by Zookeeper. Solar collection, distributed index in Solar Cloud, shards plus replica across nodes. Zookeeper, track shards, store config, leader election, quorum equal to n/2 plus 1. Upcoming events, event date field plus FQ equal to event date, now to now plus 1 day. Admin UI security, basic auth security.json plus nginx proxy plus localhost bind. Fetch one employee, Solarium PHP plus set query ID :E12345 single doc return. So these were the questions asked in the InfoVision, and the company location was the Bangalore, and the interview date was the July 15, 2025. So I will share more interview question with you. So till then, bye.